Do not scroll, because the next minutes will rewire how your brain understands English, and you will notice the change before this video ends. Stay with this voice, focus on the rhythm, and let repetition build automatic understanding inside your mind. I wake up before the sun rises to organize my thoughts for the day. I wake up before the sun rises to organize my thoughts for the day. Learning a language requires patience, curiosity, and daily exposure. Learning a language requires patience, curiosity, and daily exposure. I am gradually becoming more comfortable with complex sentences. I am gradually becoming more comfortable with complex sentences. Your attention grows stronger when you eliminate small distractions. Your attention grows stronger when you eliminate small distractions. Consistency is more powerful than short bursts of motivation. Consistency is more powerful than short bursts of motivation. I repeat new words until they feel familiar and natural. I repeat new words until they feel familiar and natural. Understanding context helps me guess the meaning of unknown vocabulary. Understanding context helps me guess the meaning of unknown vocabulary. My pronunciation improves when I listen carefully and imitate slowly. My pronunciation improves when I listen carefully and imitate slowly. Confidence appears when practice becomes a daily habit. Confidence appears when practice becomes a daily habit. I no longer fear making mistakes during conversations. I no longer fear making mistakes during conversations. Complex ideas become simple after repeated exposure. Complex ideas become simple after repeated exposure. I translate less because I begin to think directly in English. I translate less because I begin to think directly in English. Short sessions every day create long-term progress. Short sessions every day create long-term progress. My listening skills improve when I focus on key words. My listening skills improve when I focus on key words. Reading aloud strengthens both memory and pronunciation. Reading aloud strengthens both memory and pronunciation. I notice patterns in grammar without memorizing every rule. I notice patterns in grammar without memorizing every rule. Fluency grows when I speak even without perfect accuracy. Fluency grows when I speak even without perfect accuracy. New expressions become active when I use them in sentences. New expressions become active when I use them in sentences. I describe my daily routine to expand practical vocabulary. I describe my daily routine to expand practical vocabulary. Questions help me discover gaps in my knowledge. Questions help me discover gaps in my knowledge. I review previous lessons to strengthen long-term memory. I review previous lessons to strengthen long-term memory. Slow and clear speech builds a strong foundation. Slow and clear speech builds a strong foundation. I focus on meaning instead of translating word by word. I focus on meaning instead of translating word by word. I focus on meaning instead of translating word by word. Exposure to different accents improves comprehension. Exposure to different accents improves comprehension. Mistakes are signs that learning is actively happening. Mistakes are signs that learning is actively happening. I connect new vocabulary with real-life situations. I connect new vocabulary with real-life situations. Speaking to myself increases automatic sentence formation. Speaking to myself increases automatic sentence formation. I visualize situations while learning new phrases. I visualize situations while learning new phrases. Repetition transforms passive knowledge into active ability. Repetition transforms passive knowledge into active ability. My brain adapts when I practice every single day. My brain adapts when I practice every single day. I listen for tone, emotion, and intention in speech. I listen for tone, emotion, and intention in speech. Understanding improves when I stop rushing the process. Understanding improves when I stop rushing the process. I replace fear with curiosity during conversations. I replace fear with curiosity during conversations. Daily exposure makes English feel familiar and comfortable. Daily exposure makes English feel familiar and comfortable. I focus on communicating ideas rather than perfect grammar. I focus on communicating ideas rather than perfect grammar. My vocabulary expands when I read diverse topics. My vocabulary expands when I read diverse topics. I ask for clarification when something is unclear. I ask for clarification when something is unclear. Listening actively is different from simply hearing sounds. Listening actively is different from simply hearing sounds. I pause and think before responding in conversations. I pause and think before responding in conversations. Complex sentences become easier with structured practice. Complex sentences become easier with structured practice. I track my progress to stay motivated and consistent. I track my progress to stay motivated and consistent. Understanding grows when I review difficult material. Understanding grows when I review difficult material. I celebrate small improvements to maintain motivation. I celebrate small improvements to maintain motivation. Fluency is the result of thousands of small repetitions. Fluency is the result of thousands of small repetitions. If your mind feels more active now, like this video and subscribe so you continue this transformation with me. I focus on collocations instead of isolated words. I focus on collocations instead of isolated words. Contextual learning accelerates long-term retention. Contextual learning accelerates long-term retention. I practice shadowing to improve rhythm and intonation. I practice shadowing to improve rhythm and intonation. My comprehension increases when I predict upcoming words. My comprehension increases when I predict upcoming words. I simplify complex thoughts into clear sentences. I simplify complex thoughts into clear sentences. I learn faster when I remain relaxed and attentive. I learn faster when I remain relaxed and attentive. Regular practice transforms effort into automatic skill. Regular practice transforms effort into automatic skill. I notice grammatical patterns in authentic content. I notice grammatical patterns in authentic content. I build longer sentences by connecting smaller ideas. I build longer sentences by connecting smaller ideas. Understanding improves when I listen without translating. Understanding improves when I listen without translating. I focus on meaning, tone, and intention simultaneously. I focus on meaning, tone, and intention simultaneously. I repeat difficult phrases until they sound natural. I repeat difficult phrases until they sound natural. My speaking becomes smoother with controlled breathing. My speaking becomes smoother with controlled breathing. I accept temporary confusion as part of learning. I accept temporary confusion as part of learning. Exposure to stories improves both vocabulary and memory. Exposure to stories improves both vocabulary and memory. I practice describing past experiences in detail. I practice describing past experiences in detail. I form opinions and express them clearly in English. I form opinions and express them clearly in English. My listening improves when I focus on stressed words. My listening improves when I focus on stressed words. I recognize common sentence structures automatically. I recognize common sentence structures automatically. I develop fluency by speaking without overthinking. I develop fluency by speaking without overthinking. Repetition builds neural pathways for faster recall. Repetition builds neural pathways for faster recall. I understand more when I stay patient and calm. I understand more when I stay patient and calm. My confidence grows every time I complete a session. My confidence grows every time I complete a session. I use English to solve problems and explain ideas. I use English to solve problems and explain ideas. Keep training with this voice, return tomorrow, and subscribe so your future English becomes powerful and effortless.